Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques YouTube channel, where we demonstrate the china being listed currently on the website, so you can get a feel. And we embed these videos into our listings, so we try and help you get a feel for what you're actually looking at on a website. This is the breakfast cup, the larger of the two cups made by Doulton in the Old Leeds Sprays design. We have got these with saucers, but this is an orphan cup, which is quite unusual. These more often get broken than the saucers. Takes the large 6.25-inch saucer, so if you have got one of these that you're looking to replace, do have a look at the diameter or measurements across this base plate to make sure that you've got the 6.25 and not the smaller teacup saucers, which these won't fit in. Octagonal walled, made in about 1926-27, we think. I know it's got 23 on, but that's not actually a date stamp. They tend to use impress marks on Old Leeds Sprays from these time. This mark was used between 1912 right the way up to the late 1920s, early 1930s, before they transferred to the more characteristic lion and orb marks from Royal Doulton. Got the RD number and the D reference on there. Nicely conserved, good pattern around the handle, in good condition. The green enamel around the rim is all in great condition. No chips, no damage, no cracks. The glaze looks very, very good on this particular one, inside and out. Needs a bit of a clean. I'm afraid I should have given this a bath before videoing it, but didn't get always have that opportunity. It will be cleaned before dispatch. And the hand coloured decoration, absolutely fantastic. An early piece this, 1920s. The breakfast cup, which is quite rare, and a lovely piece of period Royal Doulton in Old Leeds Sprays. Available from the links below will take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website, where this particular breakfast cup is on sale from the UK. And as I say, we do have breakfast cup and saucers, which are very, very rare indeed, as well as a lot of teacup trios available and a very rare teapot. So do have a browse through the website when you click the links below. Thanks for watching.